This roasted cauliflower salad is warm, golden, and loaded with crispy florets, charred asparagus, and pan-fried halloumi. Everything's tossed with warm spices, roasted golden, then piled over bulgur with crisp greens and a zingy lemon Dijon honey dressing. Toss the cauliflower and asparagus with olive oil, cumin, paprika, and garlic, then roast until golden. Meanwhile, finely chop the parsley and shred your crisp salad greens. Cook the bulgur until fluffy, then pile it with the greens, yellow pepper, and herbs. Whisk the lemon juice, Dijon, and honey with olive oil until glossy. Pan-fry the halloumi strips until deeply golden and crisp. Toss the warm veg through the bulgur, spoon over the dressing, then crown it with halloumi, seeds, and microgreens. Pile it high while the halloumi is still warm. The full printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies!